Ever wondered how billions of silkworms contribute to creating luxurious silk? Discover the fascinating journey from farm to factory in China, where silk is harvested and processed on a massive scale. We'll delve into how these billions of silkworms are cultivated, the meticulous process of harvesting silk cocoons, and the advanced techniques used in the processing factories. In a silkworm farm, the first step is creating the perfect environment. Large controlled spaces are designed to house billions of silkworms. These farms use special temperature and humidity controls to ensure the conditions are just right for the silkworms to thrive. Silkworms need a lot of food to grow. They are fed a diet consisting mainly of fresh mulberry leaves. Farmers make sure the leaves are always clean and free from pesticides. The silkworms eat continuously and increase during this stage. Their health is carefully monitored to prevent diseases and ensure they grow properly. The life cycle of a silkworm is carefully managed from start to finish. It begins with the tiny eggs laid by adult moths. These eggs hatch into larvae, which then enter the feeding stage. As the larvae grow, they prepare to spin their cocoons. The farm must track each stage of its development, adjusting conditions as needed to ensure the silkworms are healthy and productive. Once the silkworms have spun their cocoons, it's time for harvesting. Workers carefully collect the cocoons from the silkworm beds. This step requires gentle handling to avoid damaging the delicate silk threads inside. The collection process is done by hand, ensuring that the cocoons are picked at just the right time for optimal silk quality. After collection, the cocoons are sorted based on their quality. High-quality cocoons are separated from those that are damaged or not fully spun. This sorting process helps ensure that only the best cocoons are used for silk production. The quality of the cocoons is crucial because it affects the final silk product. Once the cocoons are collected and sorted, they are boiled to prepare them for silk extraction. Boiling the cocoons softens the sericin, a natural protein that binds the silk fibers together. This step is crucial because it makes the silk threads easier to unravel. The cocoons are carefully placed in hot water and gently stirred to ensure they are evenly softened. After boiling, the softened cocoons are unwound to extract the silk threads. This process is known as reeling. The long silk fibers are carefully unwound from each cocoon and wound onto spools. This step requires precision to ensure the threads remain continuous and unbroken. The result is a series of silk threads that are ready for further processing. The reeled silk threads are then spun into yarn. This process combines several individual threads to create a stronger and more consistent yarn. The yarn is then woven into the fabric using specialized machinery. The weaving process turns the yarn into a textile, creating the beautiful silk fabric that is used in a variety of products. The woven silk fabric undergoes dyeing to achieve various colors and patterns. This step involves immersing the fabric in dye solutions and allowing it to absorb the colors. After dyeing, the fabric is finished with treatments that enhance its texture and shine. These treatments can include processes to smooth the fabric, add a glossy finish, or make it more durable. Disinfecting silkworm breeding areas with lime powder, also known as calcium hydroxide, is a crucial practice for farmers. Silkworms are delicate creatures, highly susceptible to diseases caused by bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Maintaining a clean and pathogen-free environment is essential to ensure healthy silkworms and a high yield of quality silk. Lime powder is an effective and widely used disinfectant in silkworm rearing due to its powerful pathogen control, cost-effectiveness, and eco-friendliness. The alkaline nature of lime powder disrupts the cellular structure of pathogens, effectively killing bacteria, viruses, and fungi on contact. Its desiccant properties help in drying out microbes and preventing their growth, and it also neutralizes odors, reducing unpleasant smells in the breeding areas. To disinfect the silkworm breeding environment, farmers can apply lime powder directly by sprinkling it on floors, walls, and other surfaces. Another method is to create a lime wash by mixing the powder with water and applying this paste to surfaces for a more long-lasting disinfection effect. Regular application of lime powder is necessary, especially after cleaning and before introducing new silkworm batches, to maintain a pathogen-free environment. Using lime powder not only helps maintain the health of silkworms, but also improves soil health when disposed of correctly, making it a biodegradable and environmentally safe option. By following proper safety guidelines and application methods, farmers can effectively use lime powder to ensure a healthy breeding environment, prevent diseases, and increase silk production. Silk production is a major industry in China and has a significant impact on the economy. It employs many people, from farmers who raise silkworms to workers in processing factories. The silk industry also contributes to exports, with high-quality silk being sold around the world. This economic activity supports local communities and boosts the national economy. However, the industry faces challenges such as fluctuating market demands and competition from synthetic fibers, which can affect profitability. Silk has a deep cultural significance in China, where it has been valued for thousands of years. Historically, silk was a symbol of wealth and status and played a major role in trade along the Silk Road. Today, silk remains an important part of Chinese culture and heritage. It is used in traditional clothing, ceremonies, and as a symbol of luxury and fine craftsmanship. Despite modern advancements, traditional silk-making techniques are still cherished and preserved. Silk production has environmental impacts, including the use of large amounts of water and chemicals in dyeing processes. Efforts are being made to adopt more sustainable practices to minimize these impacts. This includes reducing water usage, using eco-friendly dyes, and improving waste management. The silk industry also faces challenges related to labor conditions. Ensuring fair wages and safe working environments for workers in both farming and processing stages is crucial. Addressing these labor issues helps in promoting ethical practices within the industry. Fluctuations in market demand for silk products can affect the stability of the industry. Economic downturns or changes in consumer preferences can lead to unstable prices and production levels. The industry must adapt to these changes by diversifying products and exploring new markets. To address environmental concerns, the silk industry is increasingly adopting sustainable practices. This includes using organic mulberry leaves, reducing chemical use, and improving energy efficiency in processing factories. These efforts help in making silk production more environmentally friendly. The industry is also embracing modernization to improve efficiency and quality. Innovations in technology, such as automated weaving machines and advanced dyeing techniques, are helping to streamline production and maintain high standards. Efforts are being made to preserve traditional silk-making techniques while integrating modern practices. This helps in maintaining the cultural heritage of silk production while ensuring that it remains relevant in today's market. Silk production creates numerous job opportunities in rural areas, supporting local economies and providing stable income sources for many families. This includes jobs in silkworm farming, cocoon harvesting, and fabric processing. The silk industry promotes skill development by training workers in traditional and modern silk production techniques. This not only enhances their employability, but also helps in preserving the rich cultural heritage associated with silk making. Silk production supports community development by funding infrastructure projects and social initiatives. The revenue generated from silk sales contributes to local development, improving living standards and fostering community well-being. In addition to their use in silk production, silkworm pupae are also consumed as a delicacy in various cultures, especially in China. They are rich in protein and have a unique, nutty flavor. The pupae can be boiled, steamed, fried, or roasted, and are often seasoned with spices to enhance their taste. Silkworm pupae are highly nutritious, providing a good source of protein, essential amino acids, and beneficial fatty acids. They also contain vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B12, iron, and magnesium, making them a healthy addition to the diet. Silkworm pupae are prepared in a variety of ways depending on regional culinary traditions. In some areas, they are stir-fried with vegetables, while in others, they are added to soups or stews. They can also be ground into a powder and used as a protein supplement in various dishes. The journey from silkworm to silk fabric is a complex process involving careful cultivation, precise harvesting, skilled processing, and addressing challenges. Each step demonstrates the dedication and expertise required to produce high-quality silk. As you explore the world of silk, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate work involved and the broader impact on communities and cultures. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the silk industry. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into fascinating processes and industries.